Assalamu alaikum students, it's grammar lecture, and in our previous lecture we discussed about how we can create sentences according to the given picture. And you know very well, in order to create sentences according to given picture, firstly we observe all the action or happening which are going on in the picture or position of all things. Then we can create appealing sentences. We also observe the place where the actions are going on. And in order to create sentences according to the given picture, we always use present tense. Now today we will learn about essay writing. Students, you know very well composition means how we can create an essay, letter, application or other different things. And essay means an attempt or effort. Essay means an attempt or effort. An attempt or effort means कोशिश करना. Students, you know very well we cannot learn essay, we can create essay. Essay basically is the creation of our mind. In order to create some essay on any object, thing, place, personality, on any topic, firstly we think all features, purpose of given topic, then we can create an appealing essay. And students, essay may be on any topic. It may be on object, thing, place, personality. If we want to create essay on object or thing, firstly we think all features and purpose of a given object or thing, then we can create appealing essay. And if we want to write essay on any place, firstly we think all features, and we also think where that place is situated, which type of place is it, then we can create essay. And if we want to create essay on personality, firstly we think about his relationship, his profession, his behavior, his dressing. While thinking all these features, we can create an appealing essay. Now today we will create essay on personality, my best teacher. Students, firstly we think all features and profession of teacher, his performance, his job, his behavior, and then we can create appealing essay. Look, all these features, like all these features, we can create an appealing essay. Firstly, we will write about the name of teacher. Firstly, we write the name of our best teacher. Then, in second line, we will write about his or her qualification. We can say that uh, she is an MA or MA. Next, which subject she is teaching, we can say that she is an English teacher. Next, we can write about his method of teaching. We can say that her method of teaching is very impressive. Next, we write about his age. We can say that her age is 24 years. Next, we write about his behavior. She is very polite and kind to us. Next, we can write about his dressing. Her dressing is simple. Next, we can say that she offers prayers regularly. Next, we can say that she helps us in our studies. Next, we can write about her habit. She is very punctual and regularly she comes to school. Next, we can say that my teacher is a role model for me. Next, we write about his habit also, her habit also, she helps the poor. And next we can say that I am proud of my teacher. Students, I like thinking all these features and her performance, her age, behavior, we can create an appealing essay. Hopefully students you got my point. Today our topic is about essay. Essay means an attempt or effort. An attempt or effort means कोशिश करना. Basically essay is the name of creativity. Essay is the creation of mind. We cannot learn essay, we can create essay while thinking different features of given topic. And students, in order to create some essay on object, thing, place or personality, we mostly use present tense. Now students, you will create essay about doctor. he is also personality.